English together.
Buying a train ticket.
Good morning, ladies. Welcome to Central Station. Can I help you with the ticket machine?
Good morning. Yes, please. We need a ticket to London, but we're a bit confused about the different options.
Yes, it's difficult. What's the difference between a single ticket and a return ticket?
Great question. Here's the difference. A single ticket is for one way only. You go to London, and that's it. It's cheaper and simpler.
Oh, I see. And what about a return ticket?
A return ticket is for two journeys. You go to London, and you can come back here with the same ticket. It's perfect for a weekend trip.
That sounds great. We want to come back tomorrow, so we need a return ticket.
The next train leaves at 9 o'clock. It will arrive in London at 10 o'clock. It's a very fast train. You need to go to platform 4.
Perfect. The train leaves soon, so let's buy the tickets now. Do we pay here at the ticket machine?
Absolutely. You can use cash or a card at this ticket machine. I can help you press the buttons right away.
Thanks so much for your help.
Excuse me, how do we get to platform 4?
It's very easy. Go straight ahead, then turn right.
Do we need to go upstairs?
Yes, you need to go up the stairs. Platform 4 is on the left.
Great. Thank you again for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Now, let's learn some useful vocabulary.
Ticket. Ticket machine. Return.
Arrive.
Platform.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.